beautiful birthday, huh?
It is. I'm so happy and grateful.
God is good.
God is good. He is with me to enjoy this moment.
Yeah.
A nice, peaceful, and relaxing day today.
It's time to fly. Leave behind the negative on my mind. I know what it's like to choose the open sky. Closer to the living, got my favorite height. They wonder how she get up in the sky so high. I tell them not my hands, but the most high. Everything I have because of love should die. Whether be the love and freedom only vibes.
So we have made it to the Tabacon Resort and Spa. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, a Tabacon or Tabacon. Anyways, we have made it and we have gotten to our massage appointments. We cannot bring cameras into the massage area, but best believe outside of this massage area there will be cameras. Our massage starts at 11:18. What time is it now? 11:06. So yeah, we got to go ahead and hurry up. Okay. See you later, toodles. So we just wrapped up the massage. It was amazing. Let me tell you, I wish I could bring you through what it looked like, but it was great. So I highly recommend the Tabacon Spa. And yeah, now it's time to go to lunch. So we are at lunch. It is beautiful. This is a super duper duper great value for what we have here. Maybe, I don't know if this is like post pandemic prices or something like this, but this is amazing. Okay, we have a lunch included with our whole spa day, and here's what we get: appetizer, main course, dessert, and a drink included. Access to the hot springs with a massage that was amazing. Shy. Crazy. But here's our appetizers. I got the tomato cream soup. And what did you get?
I got me some sea bass with some plantains, and some little razzle dazzle on top.
A razzle dazzle. That's all we need in life is a razzle dazzle. So here's the second course. We have mashed potatoes, beef tenderloin with some veggies. Super duper nice. Still got my mango juice. Oh, so she got a casado. Yeah. A married meal, that's what they say, because the meat is married with everything else. They touch in together.
The rice and the beans. It's like your main course that you get all the time.
It's the classic Costa Rican meal. Correct me if I'm wrong, Costa Ricans, because I don't know nothing. All right, thanks. Bye. I think this was chocolate cake in some way, shape, or form. Yeah. 3-course meal. Ooh. All right, so we are now in our bathing suits. Well, Marsha's been in hers. I just got in mine. I wanted to show y'all what it looks like around here as we walk. I can't really explain, but I'll show you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in to this here springy, waterfall-y situation. Marsha's already underneath there, being real extra adventurous. So the water is very warm, very nice. It feels really good, really, really good. All right, enjoy the footage. So we are wrapping it up here at Tabacon Resort and Spa. It was amazing, let me tell you. I mean, y'all saw the footage. Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you.
Ooh, she 27. She said no 26, she 27. It's lit, it's lit. Marsha just spotted the volcano. You can't really see it because there's a big tree in front of it, but
that's where all our hot water is coming from.
yep, right there. That big old thing made us feel good today.
Real good today.